Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Naomi, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. Today I will be working on my beautiful model. Her name is Juliet, and we will be creating a bridal look. It's a soft yet very elegant look, and please stay tuned and kindly subscribe, hit the bell beside the subscribe button so that you always get notification whenever we upload new video. Starting off strong with skin work, I already went ahead to groom her brows. I cleaned her face using my trusty simple micellar water, and now I am applying some moisturizer to her skin. Off camera, I primed. She has a pretty normal skin. It's not too dry, not too oily. In fact, I don't think she's oily at all. There's no visible pores on her skin, and her skin is actually quite flawless, like very little to no imperfections here and there. So I went ahead to pick her foundation shade. I tried on about 2 or 3 shades of foundation on her skin before I found her exact shade, and as you can see, the color around her mouth are slightly warmer than the ones I'm applying all over her face. So it's very important when you're choosing foundation selection when it comes to makeup, especially when you're working on people that are really light skinned like Juliet, or people that are really dark skinned like my previous model, Deborah. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it in the description box. Go check that out. I'm sure you'll learn a lot from that video as well. If there's one thing I really love about Juliet's features, would be her jawline. She has very good prominent jawline. She has really full lips, and her eyelids are pretty decent. They're okay, and they will make eyeshadow pop. She has really full brows, which I'm always so excited about because it makes it easy to just draw on her brows. And when I have clients or models with really full thick black hair, I rarely do too much. Like, I don't do too much. I don't take away too much from the brow because I don't want them to be shocked after they take off the makeup and then all their brows is gone. I want them to still look like themselves, but just a little bit enhanced. So even after you take off my makeup, you still look good. One thing I've learned from working with clients that are really dark or really light is that you never ever want to overdo anything, because a tiny mistake can literally throw off, the entire makeup experience. So if you're working on a dark model, you want to carefully select the complexion product that you're using, such like things like your foundation, your contour, your concealer and powder. You do not want to go too bright so that you don't give her a makeup look that is 2 or 3 shades lighter than her exact skin tone. And then when you're working on a fair model, you want to do the exact same thing. So you want to lean around products that are not too dark, that would cast some sort of like a shadow on her skin. You want to find a balance, like find product that matches her exact skin tone to the T, and that's exactly what I am doing right here. And you just have to really pay attention and be in the zone while you're working on these skin tone. For me, this is where the makeup starts to get interesting because after all the hard work of doing her foundation and skin work and everything, we have arrived at eyeshadow. Eyeshadows are, they tie the whole look together. Sometimes you can do away, you can do without doing eyeshadow, but I just love doing it a lot on my client. I mean, as a spirit lead shower, like there was a vibe I was going for today, and I loved pink and orange, browns were just coming to my mind. So I like, let's play with it. I mean, we're creating a bridal look after all. So what are the bridal colors that most brides usually lean towards? It's either a matte pastel eyeshadow looks or some shimmery rose gold, silver or gold eyeshadow, and just to make the eyes pop, but then we also want to keep it really soft and beautiful. So I went with this pink blush that I use on her face. I use that as the main color on her eyelids. Then I borrowed or used some browns from the Anis Pro palette to sort of build some gradient on her crease. Went ahead to apply some black eyeliner on her eyelids and also on her waterline. I blended that out with a black eyeshadow, sort of smudged it in place, just to set the black liner in place because I don't want it to budge. If this is a bridal look like we're talking about, we want the look to stand the test of time, like throughout the whole day. We do not want her eyeshadow or the black eyeliner, dripping or, smearing her makeup, because bridal wedding days are usually very emotional and most brides tend to like shed a tear or two, and you want your makeup to be bulletproof. So product that you're going to be using around the eyes should be waterproof. Not many brides wear a bold red lip on their wedding day, so they always lean towards the nude, the neutral, or just a lip gloss. So to keep everything soft, and that's what we're going for today. I went, with a nice lip pencil from Omari Code, and now I'm using some brown from my lip palette, to build the color. Just she has really full lips, like I said, so I'm really utilizing that. And now for the middle part of her lips, I'm using a nude lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Please let me know in the comments if you're feeling this look already. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, now would be a great time to do that. That will help this video, go viral. That will help YouTube algorithm push this video to other people who needs it. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let me know your thoughts about this look in the comments. I really love to read your comments and reply. I think that false lashes have a way of elevating a look. You can do without it. It's not, compulsory that you have to fix false lashes for your wedding. So yeah, but today I went ahead to use a very soft, short, fluffy lashes for her. She already has like very long natural lash, so this just gives it that extra vibe, and it looks so beautiful. Now I'm setting her entire face with my setting spray, and I use my fan to dry it down, and we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really really do appreciate you. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.